If you ever went to a shop to buy a $49.9 shirt, then you most probably asked the shop owner for its price, and to your no surprise, he replied $50. Let's go back to the high school science periods. While solving numericals on Newton's laws of motion, determining the acceleration on the bullet fired upwards due to the gravity, and calculating the number of moles of atoms in 1 milliliter of water, we had to deal with decimal numbers more often. So, to make the calculations much easier, we used to round off the numbers to a simpler one. For example, while multiplying 1.567 by 2, we rounded off 1.567 to 1.57 or even 1.6 and then did the operation. But there was a special kind of decimal numbers we enjoyed rounding off the most. For numbers like 2.9 or 3.99, we simply would round them off to 3 and 4 respectively. And why we did that? Well, because our school teacher told us that 0.9 bar can be taken equal to 1 because it has negligible effect on the overall calculations. But a human phrase can be the proof of a widely used mathematical result. So in this video, you are going to learn how to impress anyone by proving to them that 0.9 bar is equal to 1. For those who don't know what a bar is, it's used to denote the repetition of a decimal number having a non-terminating expansion. For example, 2.3 bar is the short for 2.333 and so on. And 1.04 bar is an intelligent way to write 1.040404 and up to so on infinity. Okay, now to the main point. To prove our result, let's take 0.9 bar equal to x and name it as equation first. Step 2 is to multiply both sides of the equation first by 10, and so we get the another equation as 10x is called 9.9 bar. And don't forget the label as it's equation second. Kindergarten maths, right? Now jump on to the next step. Subtracting equation first from equation second. Following the simple calculations, we get 9x equal to 9. And as we all know, two brothers can't coexist as enemies, so here we get x equal to 1. If you remember, before starting the calculations, we took the value of x equal to 0.9 bar, and here we get to know that x is also equal to 1. So if you respect one of the basic axioms of mathematics, which states that if A is equal to B, that itself is equal to C, then A should also be equal to C. And in this case, we have 0.9 bar equal to x, which we calculated is itself equal to 1. That means 0.9 bar is also equal to 1. And that's it, friends. You can take a quick screenshot if you want. If this didn't damage you, don't worry. We will still be hunting down promising mysteries in upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.